Welcome to the Counting Safari adventure. Today, we'll go on a pretend safari right here at home to help your toddler learn counting in a fun, engaging way. Let's set up some animal friends for our adventure. Grab any animal toys you have at home, place them around the room like they're hiding in the jungle. This setup will add some excitement and mystery for your toddler as they discover each animal. Tell your little one that you're going on a safari adventure to count all the animals you find. Each time they find an animal, they'll count aloud with you. This not only teaches counting, but also helps develop their observation skills. Start with simple prompts. Can you find a lion? Great, that's one. As they find each animal, reinforce counting aloud, 1, 2, 3, until they've counted them all. For a little extra fun, encourage your toddler to act like the animals they find, hop like a bunny. This helps them burn off energy while practicing numbers and animal names. Thanks for joining us on today's Counting Safari adventure. Remember to subscribe for more fun learning games.